I know a bitch who really love me, and if I need a freak fuck for nothing, I'll be my general. I can't be outscored. I can't be outscored.
So hey y'all, let me pause this right quick because I don't want to get copyrighted, but I'm at my Nana's house right now. So I'm about to go out with my cousin. We're going to Target. Well, actually we're going to Walmart, and then we're going to Target, and then we're getting some food because I really want some crawfish. So we're going to this crawfish spot. But yeah, I'll just catch up with y'all once we leave or whatever. And yeah, so we're about to leave out now, and I'll just let y'all know once we get there. I need a whole bunch of stuff. I actually made a list. So I need new foundation. Actually, I don't know if I put that on my list, but I need to put that on my list. I need new foundation, I need setting powder, mascara, brow pencil, lip gloss, and yeah, that's the only stuff I need. That's probably not the only stuff I'm gonna get, but that's the only thing I need. But yeah, so once we get over to Target, because I don't think I really need nothing from Walmart unless I see something I want. But yeah, I'll just catch up with y'all and show y'all everything that I get from Target. All right, y'all, so we made it to Target. This is my first time in this Target, but it pretty much looks like the one in Virginia. I feel like a lot of them are set up the same way, but not like the exact same way. But here you go. So I already told y'all what I need to get. So you can get what you need to grab first, because you said you need stuff from, oh, okay. But yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna just go over and get all this stuff. I gotta look at my list because I wrote everything down because I always be forgetting. But here's my cousin. A whole list? Yes, a list. She don't know, y'all. Once you get to a certain age, I'm trying to tell her.
No, I'm saying I didn't think you had that much.
Oh no, girl, yes. Yes. Yeah, girl. Okay, so first we need Maybelline. Here's the Maybelline aisle.
Yes, Maybelline. Is that how they come in the booth?
Yes. Oh. Let's get a basket first of all, because I cannot. Also, we got, I already got that one. Maybe deep golden. I usually get the spicy brown. Look how empty, y'all.
Why did he try to charge my card extra? He tried to charge my card extra.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, so I definitely need some mascara. I usually get the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. So let's do the L'Oreal. Damn, it's so empty. Everything's gone. Ooh. They only have this one. I'm not paying $11 for mascara I don't want. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait to get my brow. I do need brow gel, so I'm gonna definitely get this. See what else is on the list, y'all, because I made a list.
That works for you?
Foundation, brow gel, brow pencil, blush, setting powder, Rimmel. Let's see.
Not stand a non-vibrant eyeshadow.
Yeah, if it's not.
It looks dirty. Well, not dirty. Like, you ever seen
Chalky.
Yeah, you ever seen those poor quality makeup videos that people be making?
Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about.
Chalky, everything.
Damn, where's the Rimmel thing at, bro? This is crazy. This is crazy. And I need some lip gloss. Y'all, I think we just might have to try a different store because they don't have anything. Like, it's you can't buy it because they don't have it. I think they might just need to restock tonight. Because, like, when I said, like, y'all, it's empty. Alright, well, we tried. We get an A for effort. I'm gonna just get this Lash Paradise. I never got this before, but I'm gonna get this because, yeah.
Are these blushes?
I think so. That's cute. Alright, let's grab what you need.
Unless I take this to school, because I'm Dash. I have this at the house. I love it.
What's that?
Gentle face cleanser.
Oh yes, I love Cetaphil. I have the moisturizing lotion.
What's the difference?
That's what I use because my face be so dry, y'all. I remember at one point in time this was only on
Online.
like, yeah, you can only order it.
I did not know it's such her.
Like I would literally cry. This is so cute. This is right up my alley.
Literally.
Like what in the world?
You cannot exaggerate that anymore.
I might get this for myself.
No, I'm gonna say I was here on.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and me alone. Part of me that can't see this gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and I try to pretend every now and again. You don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. And I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have. Remember the night in Miami. First time you put your arms around me. I'm up reminiscing. Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what could you do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and think about wrong. Only hit me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't get caught up. We could have been, and try to pretend now and again. You don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. 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 We could have
Still got more left. I feel like I still got a whole lot of them more left. But definitely got our money's worth. My bill is only $68. And I got my mom some stuff too. So we good to go, y'all. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.